Hey everyone, if you know me, you know that I really love packages. Like getting a package and getting to open it and the excitement of what is inside it, even though I know what's inside it, gives me such a burst of dopamine or serotonin that I have enough happiness to last me a whole day. So today is a really good day because I got a package in the mail. Yafeini actually reached out to me, I think around 3 or 4 weeks ago, asking me if they could send me one of their customized name necklaces and if I could make a review video about it. So here I am with a review, and it's gonna be a positive review because I'm absolutely obsessed. So let us rewind to when I first saw the website. I was greeted by the statement, free shipping on all orders, which is something I love. And then there was lots and lots of options. It was a hard choice. All of them were so affordable, all of them so pretty, but in the end, I was debating between this one and that one. And in the end, I chose this one. And this particular one, actually, they asked me to sign my name in my own handwriting. And being the med student that I am, I use Notability on my iPad to sign my name. You can pick the color silver, gold, and rose gold. And I chose rose gold. Cardboard box is so pretty, and I had to call my mom over to open it because I could not open it. So these are her hands, and now these are my hands. And inside the cardboard box was this gorgeous little white box, and the necklace was inside, obviously. And to be honest, the moment I saw the necklace, I fell in love with it. I ran to my mom, I showed her. We both freaked out, and I tried it on, and it was absolutely perfect. Actually, in this video, I was wearing it while talking. I guess you guys realized, maybe. So, guys, the verdict of this video is that I really love this necklace. I was not a name necklace person before, but now I am a name necklace person. That sounded like such a, I don't know, like a name necklace slogan. They also offered me this amazing 20% discount code for you guys, and I really love this brand. I'm really happy I can share it with you guys, and if you guys want, the link is in the description box and you can get 20% off on your order. It's already affordable and now it'll be even more affordable. How amazing is that? Also guys, today I finished my first ever online exam. It was a success, and I thought I would make you guys a little video with some tips on how you can succeed on online exams, because that seems to be a thing for a lot of us now. So be on the lookout for that sometime in the next few days, and I will also make a study with me video. So these are some videos you can look forward to, and if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to me, turn on the notification bell, like this video so that you can see more of me in the future, because I'm pretty cool, you guys. Even though I lose my voice sometimes.